If you want to change the cover photo on Facebook without posting, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Click the three horizontal lines at the top right, and then you're gonna see your name. Click on your name at the top left, and then basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go ahead as if we're gonna change our cover photo, and we're gonna just, let's say, select let's select cover photo from our, let's say that one, right? And basically I'm gonna hit done at the top, right? And as you can see right here, after I change the cover photo, I'm gonna just go ahead and click update, right? And I'm gonna wait for a few moments, right? If I scroll a little bit down right here, you will see that there isn't post. Even if let me refresh it, as you can see right here, I updated the cover photo. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and then I'm gonna just hide it from my profile, or I'm gonna just go ahead and edit the post right here. Click the three dots right here and just go ahead and click I don't want to see this, and then I'm gonna just hide it from my profile, and basically no one will have access, or no one will see the post that I just made. I'll turn on the comments if this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next